The Philippines representative to Taiwan said Presidential Spokesperson Harry Roque has no reason to meddle in affairs of other countries. Angelito Banayo is the chair and resident representative of MECO, or the Manila Economic and Cultural Office in Taipei. Banayo told ENC that Roque should be careful with his remarks since he is speaking for President Duterte. Roque had earlier given this statement on the deportation of a Filipina in Taiwan, critical of Duterte. Taiwan's Ministry of Foreign Affairs protested to his remark.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.